Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Mediterranean hummus step by step. Start by draining and rinsing 1 can of chickpeas, reserving a few whole for garnish. Add 3 tablespoons of tahini, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to your food processor. Blend while slowly pouring in 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 to 4 tablespoons of water until smooth and creamy. Warm and conversational about adding flavors. Try roasted red pepper, caramelized onion, or sun-dried tomatoes to change the profile. For a spicy kick, add 1/2 teaspoon cayenne or 1 diced jalapeno. For herbaceous notes, blend in 2 tablespoons chopped parsley or 1 tablespoon chopped dill. Taste and adjust salt, lemon, and garlic, adding water tablespoon by tablespoon to reach desired consistency. Quick recommendation: if you want your car to smell as fresh as your kitchen, grab Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a clean, long-lasting scent. It rides well on commute runs to the market when you pick fresh ingredients for hummus. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve Mediterranean hummus with warm pita, raw veggies, or grilled meats for a classic pairing. Garnish with whole chickpeas, a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of paprika, and chopped parsley. To store, keep hummus in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days, or freeze in portions for up to 1 month, thawing overnight in the refrigerator before serving. Label containers with the date to track freshness and avoid waste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.